Good morning, friends. How are you? Fine. Okay, I am also fine. Dear friends, yesterday we saw the second story, a special prize. Today, the grammar on the story. On both the stories, the first and second, we have tenses. So, while learning the first story, we saw the names and forms of tenses. So, today only the practice on tenses. I will explain the practice for you. Listen to me attentively and try to understand also. I will explain with the help of the blackboard. So, friends, the question is do as directed. I write diary every day. The first sentence is I write diary every day. Identify the verb and its tense. Now the verb is always after the subject. Therefore subject is here I. Therefore write is verb. Write is in first form of the verb. It is in the first form. It is verb 1 and therefore it is simple present tense. So the verb is write and the tense is simple present tense. See the answer. Number 1, the verb is write and answer is simple present. Number 2, I shall have been walking. The subject here is I, therefore the whole is verb. Shall have been walking, a longer verb. So shall have been walking, shall future, have been perfect, walking continuous. So shall have been walking is future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. See, answer number 2, shall have been walking. The tense is future perfect continuous tense. Number 3, the team dash take proper steps. The team dash take proper steps. Use simple past tense form of the verb. Now you know that simple past is verb 2, simple present verb 1 and simple past verb 2. Therefore here the answer will be took, take, took, taken. Take verb 1, took verb 2 and taken verb 3. Therefore took is the answer. So number 3, the answer is took, verb 2, simple past tense. Once again, the team took proper steps. Number 4, I will edit the story. I will edit the story. In bracket, use future continuous tense. Future continuous tense will be plus verb ing or shall be plus verb ing. Therefore, the answer will be he will be editing the story. He will be editing the story. Answer, he will be editing. The tense form is will be editing, that is future continuous tense. Number 5, the team has been performing well. The team has been performing well. Use past perfect continuous tense. Now already in the sentence it is has been performing, that is present perfect continuous tense. Therefore we have to just make past tense. So has should be therefore had. Therefore the team had been performing well. The answer is had been performing. Number 5, the answer had been performing. Number 6, Arjun has sensed a grave problem. Arjun has sensed a great problem. Use simple future tense. Simple future shall, will plus verb ing. Simple future shall or will be, shall or will plus verb 1. Therefore here we see Arjun has sensed a grave problem. Simple future shall, will verb 1. So the answer will be Arjun will sense a grave problem. Arjun will sense a grave problem. Will sense. The answer is number 6, will sense. Number 7, it has been a secret for decade. Decade means 10 years. It has been a secret for a decade. Identify the verb and its tense. Once again, find the verb for me. Okay. It is subject. Therefore, has been is the verb, its subject and a secret is the noun. Therefore, the verb is has been. Now, has been is verb 3, has is form of have. So, have plus verb 3 is present perfect tense. You should know that been is third form of be. Be was where been. Therefore, the answer is that is the verb is present perfect tense. The answer has been is present perfect tense. So, in this way we have seen a good practice on tenses. Read them again, study them again and keep them in mind. This is nothing but only forms of tenses. Thank you.